What should you drink to learn to sing better? And what drinks should you avoid to keep your voice healthy? To all the tequila lovers, orange juice, electrolyte drinks. Which drink is burning the vocal cords? Drinking ice water, herbal infusions, the best drinks to sing well. Welcome to my channel Singing Lessons from Scratch. I am Natalia Bliss, a senior pianist and vocal technique teacher. If you like my content and want to support me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, activate the bell and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at bliss_Natalia, where I announce my giveaways. First, drinks you should avoid before singing. All drinks that contain caffeine, such as coffee, tea and caffeinated energy drinks. All these drinks can cause dehydration, and dehydration is what we must avoid because the most important thing is to keep our vocal cords hydrated. So, a few hours before singing, try to avoid these drinks. Drinks that contain caffeine can also cause acid reflux, which can irritate the vocal cords. Second, alcohol. I'm very sorry to say this to all the tequila lovers.
Are you talking to me?
And other strong drink enthusiasts, but alcohol is totally prohibited before singing. Alcohol, like caffeinated drinks, dehydrates the body and can negatively affect your vocal ability. Having a drink may relax you, but what you'll end up with is more thirst and constantly drinking water, which is very uncomfortable when singing. Third, sugary drinks. Avoid sugary drinks because they can cause energy fluctuations and increase mucus production. Many people suffer from gastroesophageal reflux. It's when the acid from our stomach rises up to the vocal cords and irritates them. It's literally burning the vocal cords. A person who suffers from reflux has a lot of difficulty not only when singing, but also when speaking. They often have a hoarse voice. Orange juice or other citrus drinks can cause throat irritation and acid reflux, which can negatively affect your voice. There's nothing wrong with having orange juice in the morning, but try to avoid it 1 or 2 hours before singing. You should also avoid milk and dairy products. Dairy can increase mucus production in the throat, which can make singing difficult. It's better to avoid them before a singing session. The same goes for coffee or orange juice. There's nothing wrong with having them for breakfast, but try to avoid them 1 or 2 hours before singing. Avoid carbonated drinks as they can cause bloating and burping, which can interfere with your ability to sing comfortably and can also cause gastroesophageal reflux. It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, clases de canto desde cero. And now, the best drinks for singing well. Electrolyte drinks. Drinks like coconut water can be useful for staying hydrated, especially if you've been sweating a lot. These drinks help replenish lost electrolytes. Also, you should avoid extremely hot or cold drinks, or drinks with ice, unless you're David Bisbal, of course. There are exceptions. Some singers, like David Bisbal, drink ice water during their concerts. And it works for them, but it's a very personal thing. For example, I can't drink or eat anything cold before singing because I immediately feel it in my throat. Very cold drinks can cause throat tension, and very hot drinks can irritate the mucosa of the vocal cords. Drink liquids at room temperature or slightly warm. Herbal infusions. Be careful that they don't contain caffeine. They shouldn't be red or green tea. Chamomile or licorice tea can be beneficial. Chamomile is calming and licorice can help soothe the throat. Make sure the infusion is not too hot. The queen of drinks for singing is water. Staying well hydrated is essential. Drink water throughout the day to ensure your vocal cords are well lubricated. The water should be at room temperature to avoid irritating your throat. So, it's very important to hydrate before, during and after singing. You should not only drink water while singing, but also before and after to maintain proper hydration and help your vocal cords recover. So, the best thing you can do is I also recommend watching my video on what to eat to sing better and what foods to avoid. I'll leave it here in the corner. If you're a beginner and don't know where to start, I recommend watching my free playlist, How to Learn to Sing in 30 Days. I'll leave it here in the corner. I hope you enjoyed my video, keep practicing, keep improving your vocal technique, and as always, I wish you to enjoy music and enjoy your voice. Kisses! Un besito!